The last 7 weeks have been some of the most frustrating since I started the business nearly 15 years ago. Growing pains are real, and so is seasonal affective disorder. Nearly everyone on the team is doing different work than 6 months ago, and change is hard. I thrive on change, but most don't. Our efficiency has plummeted. Bringing on new people always points out deficiencies in our systems. That's hard, and it's hard to prioritize improvements when everyone is busy. It's easier to just charge ahead and then stop and diagnose and solve and integrate. Building out our space has been incredibly fun and frustrating. Its progress is slow, noisy, design team flow is disrupted by jackhammers and drills and saws. The new space is just loud. There's people want to settle in and brace for winter, but the nesting boxes, as someone affectionately called them, are not quite ready yet. To this point, we've been fairly lucky with supply chains. Between good planning and longer project timeframes and good fortune, most of our work has continued uninterrupted. But for some reason, things have really just felt interrupted lately. Projects that are 95% of the way complete are unable to get wrapped up because of small supplier delays. Projects sit. We need projects to ship. Prototyping new projects is hard, slow, expensive, slow, seemingly never finished. It's the increasingly apparent curse of a culture of continuous improvement. New roles and responsibilities mean new, raw opinions. Systems that used to work, break. Things that started out hard but were solved and made easy are now hard again. Patience is short, my patience especially. Relearning, reworking frustrates me more and more as time goes on, and yet it's necessary as I can't possibly transfer all that I've learned through trial and error and pain to the next person. Everyone needs that chance to experience and grow on their own. It's hard for me, for all of us. At the same time, we're doing some of our best work yet. Nearly half the team brought family or friends to play on the rover before it shipped out. Totally unprompted. Just a really cool thing we made. And I'm super proud of both the design and fabrication teams for their work on it. Clearly, they were proud of the work as well because, they brought in their family and friends to just show this thing off. That's great. Taking pride in your work is one of our core values. Together, Anthony, Dan, and Mark are as good as it gets in our business. This project is proof. I am also doing different work than I was 6 months ago. It's hard as I spend less time making things and more time trying to help others figure out how to succeed at their job. I don't enjoy teaching or coaching. I want to make things. I don't enjoy watching people struggle. I just want to shepherd them through so that they don't have to experience pain, but everyone has to learn lessons in their own way. It's been a hard lesson for me, just as I know it was for my parents. So as I continue to spend less time making things for clients, I'm working hard to give myself permission to make things that make our business work. Designing our third building has been fun. I'm especially loving our decision to use the paint scheme from my favorite motorcycle as the inspiration for our new equipment. Experimenting with ways to document our progress has been extremely rewarding. Hint, there's lots of cool video and nerdy tech highlights to come. Machining giant rough-sawn timber on our CNC machine was so satisfying, and equally satisfying has been figuring out the nitty-gritty design details for our office build. I haven't done that type of work in a while now, and I forgot how much I enjoy it. Best of all, I've had the privilege of working side by side with masters of their craft to build out a dream shop, and that has been unimaginably fulfilling. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that I don't take for granted. When you're working with someone and you just kind of anticipate each other's next move? We've got that, but not for things that we've done 1,000 times before. We've got that anticipation for totally new work we've never even considered. It's an amazing feeling, and yet it makes finding the next team member damn near impossible. So, even though the last few months have been hard, I'm hopeful. We've got a bright future. We're getting better every day, and our best work is yet to come. I know, because I've seen glimpses of it on the screen of some very talented designers.